In this video, we'll see how to use field mapping in the Synoptec clinical documentation system. Field mapping allows information input to a synoptic report to adjust a patient record, and vice versa. First, let's look at an example, and then we'll learn how to create its effects. This is the case record of a patient. Notice that the gender is recorded as female, and the service date is recorded as March 17th. Now, we will assign a reporting template for perineal dissection associated with colorectal cancer surgery. On the report, we can see certain fields have automatically filled based on the information from her patient case record. Moreover, the questions here reference the expected genital configuration. When assigning this same synoptic template to a patient identified as male, a different set of questions appear. Gender is not the only mapped field on this template. We can see here that the date of surgery has automatically filled with the service date from the patient's case record. Sometimes, the actual date of surgery is different than what was first planned. Mapped fields allow us to keep this information updated in multiple places with only one manual input. Let's change the date of surgery. After we submit the report, the information is automatically transferred to the patient's case record. With mapped fields, we can keep medical records consistent without repeatedly entering the same information. Let's learn how to map fields. Templates are customized using Synoptec's Designer module. While designing a template, click this link icon. Here, we are able to select the field on the patient record that will interact with the data entered on a synoptic report. This is called a target field. Using these drop-down lists, we select the name or column ID of the synoptic report field we wish to map to. In the case of gender, the target field and the synoptic column ID have the same name, but this is not always the case. For example, while service date is the target field that appears on a patient record, this could be linked to different synoptic column IDs, such as surgery date, biopsy date, or imaging date, depending on which service this synoptic template is for. And that's all there is to it. From now on, when we assign the synoptic template, it will automatically map to the patient case record, keeping data consistent with workflow streamlined. For more information on optimizing your clinical documentation to improve care, you can explore our range of videos or visit softworksgroup.com.